Hi, my name is Father Brian. Today we're going to talk about the Bible. Do you know that Catholics read the Bible? That's right, we definitely do. We believe in the Bible, like all Christians, as the inspired Word of God. That God inspired people to open their hearts to the message of salvation and to write it down, that we in the future generations would be able to know about Jesus Christ. As Catholics, we believe that the Bible comes not just down from heaven in a book, but it comes through a living tradition and guided by the leadership of the Church. That's why as Catholics, we believe in the Bible, but also in the tradition of the Church and the magisterium, or the leadership of the Church, that helps us to understand how to correctly interpret the Bible. During Mass, we read from the Bible, but in an ordered way in a book called the Lectionary. At Mass, we hear the readings of the Bible, but also we're encouraged as Catholics, as Christians, to read the Bible individually. Maybe you haven't done that. That's okay. But we are encouraged to learn to grow in our relationship with Jesus, the living Word, by reading His Word. You can read the Bible by yourself. We also have small groups at our church, Bible study, especially on Tuesday, morning and evening, and other ways of reading the Bible. Catholics are not used to reading the Bible on their own, and if you haven't been doing that, that's okay. But you might consider giving it a try. If you have questions about the Bible, give me a call or stop by the office.